Hello beautifuls, today we are here to swatch the Avocado Toast palette from BH Cosmetics. I already did a very quick video of swatching the Blueberry Muffin, but I haven't swatched this one yet. I did film a look with this palette and I'm very happy on how the look came out. The shadows are very cute. The only thing that I think is awful in this palette is the reflective packaging, that it's not so nice to show you to show on YouTube the shadows, the colors, because you see this packaging is reflecting the lights, so it's not so easy for you to focus on the color. However, this is a green palette with some pop of rose, pinkish tones, these three, a brown, this is a, let's say, a terracotta, something similar to terracotta, dark brown, and a yellow, a light yellow, not bright, and this is a bright yellowy gold color. Okay, let's get started, and I'll try to swatch as much as I can on my hand because I think it's the best position to see how the shadows are. So let's start. The first row I'm gonna swatching. And I will apply them here. So this is the first row. The last color, Spicy, it's a brown with bronzy reflect. I'm not sure they are really visible on the camera. I think they are not. But this is the first row. Then let's go ahead with the second one, and the second one is this one. These are the colors I've used for my looks. Those are so beautiful. Look the beauty of this metallic green here and this yellowy greenish shimmery color shade here. This is so beautiful. So, what's happening? Everything's fine, darling? Yeah, how cute. He's coming. Okay, let's go ahead with the third row, starting with this yellow. So let's get started. This yellow, this superfood greeny color, this browny reddish one, and this dark brown. So look, it's so beautiful. The yellow one is a little bit more powdery than the other, but is still performing quite good. I think that you can see from these swatches that the quality is really high. I enjoyed a lot using this shadow for my looks the other day. So let's just clean a little bit my fingers. And final row, this is on the top, that should be on the bottom actually. So next time I have to try starting from the bottom of the palette, so we have the shadow in the same order on my hand, and that's the final one. These are a mid-tone between green and blue. Look the beauty of this dark forest green. This is so beautiful. I think this palette is very cute and nice. Look how these shadows are. Oh, they are so good. They are so reflecting. Just let me clean my finger and I will try changing the color Okay, they're not really clean. Let's try with a swipe. Okay, also this green, first as I saw them I thought it was a dark gray, but then I tried it on my eye and it's a green, and you can see it from the swatch, but I hadn't swatched this shade when I thought it was a grayish dark tone. But it's so, and also this color here, it's so beautiful. Let's try changing the light and see. Now this I don't know who will use this tone of light. Look, this is how they look. They are so beautiful, really beautiful. I love them, really in love. They are so great. Okay, that's everything for today. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please leave me a thumbs up for more video, for more swatch videos. If you'd like, let me know, and see you soon. Bye guys.